Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Buttercream 40th birthday cake. This is one made for my brother-in-law for his 40th birthday. So happy birthday, Johannes. Let's get started.
This is pumpkin spice cake and Swiss meringue buttercream. My butter was super yellow, so that's why the buttercream is rather yellow. I frosted the cake once. And then frosted it again. I also colored some buttercream medium and navy blue. Then I put them in piping bags, the medium blue with a medium star tip and the navy blue with medium and round tips. I used letter cutters to press in the number 40 in the center, as well as the words Happy Birthday with a stylized letterpress. These were a little hard to see on camera, but it was visible enough in real life. I traced the letters with a navy blue buttercream with a small round tip. Then I piped a pearl border along the bottom of the cake with navy blue. Then I piped small swirls of uncolored buttercream. I piped some navy pearls below the swirls. I piped a row of stars above the bottom border with medium blue. And another one along the top. I also piped some swirls at intervals along the middle of the side of the cake. Then I piped some navy blue pearls between the swirls. I added some white stars along the bottom of the cake. And again around the top. And one more along the star border along the bottom. Then I piped some medium blue swirls on the top of the cake and a little tuft of white at the top. I love this cake. It's very beautiful and very appropriate for a man's birthday. I love the detail on the sides and the perfect writing on the top thanks to the word presses. Happy birthday, Johannes! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we've uploaded a new video.